Good day, Kabarangay. Welcome to Vox Sophia and to my fellow stroke warrior. I'm going to share with you today, this morning, some powerful words. Remember? In the beginning was the Word. Ibig sabihin, ang simula ng lahat ng tagumpay ay nasa salita. Well, ang ayon sa nag-share sa akin, there are two powerful words. I can. Yung dalawang words na yon. And sa Latin expression naman, may nag-share sa akin, acta non verba. Ibig sabihin, kilos, action, hindi lang salita. Yan lang po ang share ko sa inyo today, this morning. Welcome to Vox Sophia. Hallelujah. Bye-bye.